Hey guys, what's up? It's Missy. I am back with another video. I haven't made a video in quite some time. I have gone for rides. Unfortunately, my audio was so messed up that I couldn't post it. I'll insert clips of it here. So anyways, we are out here. We have a bunch of new things to go over. First of all, this is my first video with my new seat that I got. Video will be linked for me installing this seat. I also got an Insta360 here, so I can record all sides of my face. I also got a new lid. So I got a Shoei RFSR helmet. It is a size extra small. This is to replace my Scorpion EXO helmet, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that. My plan for today is to just go through town. I need to stop by the hardware store, pick up a spacer for my seat, as somebody had commented on my seat installation video saying I should probably get one, and they're probably right. Other than that, we're just going to practice on this beautiful, quiet, sunny Sunday. So let's get to riding. So this is not my first ride, the Insta360 or with the seat, but this is my first ride with this helmet. Want to see how much quieter it is in comparison to my Scorpion helmet. It's a bit breezy today, and already it is pretty quiet. I also got the transition lens, so it automatically adjusts the sun. It's kind of cool, so I don't have to switch between a clear lens and a tinted lens, so that's nice. I also want to test the audio quality. I have an external microphone now, since I don't have a microphone for the Insta360, so I'm testing the audio from recording on my Cardo versus recording on this external microphone. So hopefully it's not terrible. So let's talk about this helmet situation. So the helmet that I have been wearing in the last couple of videos has been a Scorpion EXO 920 helmet. It's a great helmet. It's a modular helmet. I bought it from a website that closes out items, so previous year models, overstock inventory, things like that. And I didn't know this at the time, but the GT920 helmet was a previous year model. It was a previous year model, and I didn't know that. Now, the general rule of thumb with helmets is that you're supposed to replace them every 5 to 7 years. Some people will say it's a hoax, it's a gimmick, it's a way for the helmet companies to make more money off of you, and other people claim that it's a safety thing, because the styrofoam deteriorates over time and it can cause more injury than prevent injury. Whatever your take is on it, I do not mess with my head. I do not mess with safety as it pertains to my head. So I bought this helmet. It was a really, really good deal. It was less than $100. Normally they're around $300 helmets, so I knew I wasn't just getting a cheap helmet because it was I was getting a good helmet. Scorpions have really good reputation. So call me surprised when I received this helmet and it was expired. So I bought an expired helmet. The manufacturing date on the helmet was 2017, so it is 7 years old. And ironically, I bought it because the helmet that came with my bike that the woman gave to me when I bought the bike was also a 2017 helmet. So I wanted to buy a new helmet so that I didn't have an expired helmet, and I ended up buying an expired helmet. But I decided I was just going to wear it for a year or so. I should be fine, you know, the whole thing. But there were a couple of things that really made me decide to go with the Shoei. Number one, the Scorpion helmet is loud. Now, I don't know if it's loud because it's too big for me, because that is a thing that I think is possible. I do think it is a little bit big for me, considering how this showy feels. It was very, very noisy, and it was expired. So recently, a girl that is in one of the riding groups I'm in unfortunately got into an accident. And long story short, she pretty much face planted with a tire of a car. And her showy helmet saved her life. Anyway, I bought the showy because I want to protect my noggin. I specifically went with the Shoei RFSR. It was a helmet I had my eye on a while ago before I bought the Scorpion. It's just hard to find a helmet in my size. But I went to my local Cycle Gear and they had one white helmet. They're pretty affordable, pretty reasonable priced helmet for how amazing Shoei helmets tend to be. So I'm pretty happy with my purchase. And it definitely fits a lot tighter than the Scorpion, and I don't know if that's just because the Scorpion was actually too large for me, or if it's because it was modular, so it just fit a bit differently. The Shoei extra small, I mean, it's comfortable, but it definitely is a little bit difficult to put on. I have to kind of use my noggin in there to put it on, but once it's on, it's really comfortable. In fact, this is my first ride in it. I bought it just a few days ago, so I've been wearing it around my house to break it in. The first couple of times I put it on at my house, it was pretty uncomfortable. After about 30 minutes, eventually, I actually took a nap while I was wearing it yesterday. And so it's comfy. Now, I don't have anything against the company that I bought my original helmet from. It was my fault for not really doing more research on the helmets themselves. It was brand new. It was, in its original box with all of the stuff that comes with new helmets. It was just expired is all. So I have nothing against the company that I bought it from. I have bought other things from them and they turned out to be just fine. So at 45 miles an hour here, I can definitely hear some wind, but it's as bad as my Scorpion was. And I'll probably still end up wearing my earbuds just to protect my ears. I'm not going for a long ride today, but I know that a long ride would definitely hurt my ears if I did not have earbuds. I am pretty bummed that my audio from my last video didn't turn out well. I came down this way, it was a Sunday morning, and I was just talking about how people drive so flippin' fast where I live. I'm doing over the speed limit already, and the car in front of me is pulling ahead and the truck behind me is, I wouldn't say pretty close, but he probably wishes I would go faster. And I'm a safe rider. I mean, you saw the guy just a few moments ago that passed everybody at the light, and that's fine. People can ride the way they want to ride. I'm gonna ride the speed limit because that's what I feel the safest doing. And it's fine. I'm just gonna ride my own ride. If people want to speed past me, that's their prerogative. Like this car. Doing probably 10 over right now. It is a beautiful day out. I wish that I could go out of town, but drive down to the beach. It would be amazing to just ride down the coast, ride down the Pacific Coast Highway. I just don't trust myself yet as a rider. Could I do it? Probably. I'm almost positive that if I just went down the hill and tried it, I would be fine. I mean, look at how I'm riding now compared to how I was riding 3 videos ago even. You know, I've definitely gotten a lot better at riding. It's more of me, myself, just needing more confidence, I guess. But I'm just chilling. It's such a great day. If it were up to me, I'd be out riding all day today. But I could tell how much more comfortable I am just riding in general. Like 2 videos ago, you would not see me taking one hand off of the handlebars. Like my gloves, they say put your phone down. Can't see that. It says put your phone down. Lexus is going fast and then slow and then fast and then slow. And they keep going slow, so it's making the car behind me tailgate me a little bit. Now they're going fast again. So up until this point, most of my videos have just been me talking, the writing part of it. But let me know what you guys think. Do you like videos of me just talking the whole time, or do you like just kind of the scenic, raw sound videos? One thing I want to practice more is my counter steering. I might be doing it already, I don't really know. Most of the roads that I go on up until this point have been pretty straight. So I've been trying to find like these kind of roads that have a bit more curves. Roads that I have to actually move my body to move my bike kind of thing. Watch out! Oh my god, I almost hit that fucking bird! I told the bird watch out like it was gonna listen to me. But I'm so surprised, like 65 miles an hour with this helmet. I definitely need to wear my earbuds, but compared to my Scorpion, this helmet is quiet. Right, this is my first time getting on the highway. Yeah, this is the major highway that goes into town here. This is my first time riding on it, and this is one of the more tame parts of the highway because it is more residential, but if I were to go the other way, if I were to turn right, it would be more like a proper highway. The helmet is still brand new, so it is a little bit uncomfortable. I can start to feel the pressure a little bit, but not nearly as bad as the Scorpion did. So the break-in period on this Shoei is not nearly as bad. On the opposite end of things, this person in front of me isn't going the speed limit at all. So it's like either people are going 15 over or they're going 10 under. There's no in between. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. comment down below. Let me know what kind of motorcycle content that you would like to see from this channel. Consider subscribing to see more motorcycle content like this. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.